All right, that was half a loaf of my brioche bread that I sliced into quarters, and we're placing all of that bread right into our bowl, just like so. We're gonna make sure that this is nice and separated so we have little pieces of our brioche bread. Now I'm gonna come in with my fresh blueberries and I'm just gonna sprinkle those in right on top of our brioche bread. I'm gonna use that whole container. Beautiful. Now you can use whatever berry you like, but I chose blueberries. Now I'm gonna add 3 whole eggs right into that mixture. Perfect. We're gonna add a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Yum. Now, of course, this is missing some vanilla extract, and I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, which is just 1 capful. Beautiful. You could use almond extract if you prefer. We're gonna do a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. I'm just gonna eyeball this because cinnamon is hard to measure, but that looks perfect. We're gonna add a little pinch of salt right on top to just combat that sweetness. And then the last thing we're gonna add to this is our whole milk, and we're gonna need 1/4 cup of whole milk. So I'm gonna measure that out super quick.
Right there.
A little bit more. And that will help with the moisture of everything. Now for the fun part, we're gonna mix all of this together. I just have my gloves on, and we need those bread pieces fully coated in the sugar, in the milk, in the egg, and all of that delicious cinnamon. Oh my goodness. It is kind of nice if you have like a day-old bread loaf to make this with, because then our bread kind of stays more intact. But either way, this is gonna be so easy and so delicious, the perfect breakfast. All right, and this is fully mixed together. So I have here my air fryer that I greased, and we are gonna place our bread pieces right into our air fryer. Make sure they're kind of in a flat formation in our air fryer. This is the easiest way to make your French toast. So we're gonna have the most delicious French toast bites in the air fryer. It's gonna be super quick, and we're gonna have those bursting blueberries in there that just make it 10 times better. So let's get this whole entire mixture in there. Get those blueberries. All right, and this is ready. I'm gonna turn on my air fryer, and we're gonna set this to 350. And then this is gonna be in there for 8 to 10 minutes. So we'll start with 8 minutes and check on it then. Yum. Yay! All right, it's been 8 minutes. Let's check this out. Oh, I think that's perfect. What do you think?
Wow, it smells delicious. It's ready.
All right, go ahead and put it on our heat pad. And before we dig in, I'm gonna do some powdered sugar on top. Just a nice little dusting, because powdered sugar makes everything better. It's like a little snowstorm on top. Now I'm gonna use my tongs, and we're just gonna go ahead and grab our French toast bites. Oh my goodness, that looks absolutely incredible. The eggs are fully cooked. The bread has a nice little sear on top of it. Beautiful. Now I like syrup on my French toast, but this is plenty sweet without it. So if you don't, you can totally skip that. But it is time to dig in to our air fryer French toast bites. That is really, really good. Wow. The perfect easy brunch.